Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to enable the classic F8 key option when booting Windows. So that way when you're starting your computer you could tap on F8 and then get to the safe mode options where you could actually boot into safe mode, safe mode with networking, safe mode command prompt, last known good configuration, that type of thing. So this was removed in newer versions of Windows because now they use the recovery options instead. But if you want to have that option, it's pretty easy to enable. All right, so to begin, we're going to open an administrator command prompt. So type CMD in the box, run as administrator. Say yes to the UAC prompt, so you'll need to be an administrator to do this. All right, so now we have a couple commands here. Here's the one to enable it right here. And then if you want to disable it, you can run this one. So I'm just going to paste this in here by right-clicking. All right, simple as that. All right, so now let's restart here and try it out and see if it works. So as the computer's restarting, just start tapping, F8, tap, 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 tap. You don't have to do it super fast, but, maybe once every second or so. So let's try it out here. All right, so now we have the safe mode menu here, where we could do the repair your computer option, the different safe modes here, debugging mode. And then if you wanted to start Windows normally, just simply go down to the bottom one here, just like that. All right, let's open our file again here. All right, and then like I said, if you want to remove it, just simply do the same thing. Open administrative command prompt, type this in, or just copy and paste it. And that's all there is to it. And of course, if you just left this active and didn't press F8, it's going to be like it's not even active anyway, so the choice is up to you. All right, so I'll put this text in the description so you can just copy and paste it, and then you could enable the F8 key. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.